blazing hot out there, food family, so I thought a nice, easy, cold pasta salad would really hit the spot. This recipe is super versatile, always a hit, and it's a great way to use up odds and ends of vegetables and herbs to reduce waste. First thing we're starting with is some cooked pasta. This is just one 12-ounce box cooked, drained, then run under some cold water so that it stops cooking. You want to cook it slightly firmer than normal because it's going to soak up some dressing, and you can use what you like, but you really want ridges or spirals or something to hold on to all that good dressing. We're going to pile in tons of veggies, and you can use whatever you got on hand. But as you see, I'm keeping it pretty basic and a good mix of common vegetables. Let me know in the comments what vegetables you would use. I pretty much added everything I had. Cleaned out all the odds and ends in my vegetable drawer, but keeping it all pretty basic. No special magic vegetables you gotta pay a ton for or have to use. No wild techniques. Just a mix of healthy, fresh vegetables, some herbs, and a $1.50 box of pasta. About as basic as it gets. And now we can start the dressing. And yeah, of course I'm starting with Greek yogurt. It's high in protein, it's good for your gut, and I just prefer it instead of mayonnaise. And I've really fallen away from mayonnaise in the last few years. And I may start making my own instead, and if I do, I'll make it for y'all on the channel. But I'm going to use Greek yogurt anywhere I can. It's so much tastier and better for you. This combination of yogurt and vinegars is super healthy for us, and then the addition of some whole grain mustard just boosts this to a whole new level. Also going to add in some dry aged cheese at the end for salt and richness. You don't have to, but some Pecorino or Parmigiano, it really makes this better. Then we toss this all together, and we've got a really fast, versatile, super healthy garden pasta salad. And it gets even better after an hour or two in refrigeration. The hardest part is cutting all the vegetables. I just put on a video on my phone and just chopped veggies. Hope you get to try this recipe. Here's some other recipes I know y'all will love. Please like, comment, subscribe, do all the YouTube things. But most importantly, keep being awesome, y'all. Peace.